You did it! Thanks, Chase. Have some pup treats. Collect enough pup treats and you'll win a prize. There are a few more around the lookout. Go get them. You got it! Whoa, that looks fun! Tap the slide to use it. Great! You did it! Oops! The birdhouse fell on the ground. Spin the wheel! Spin, spin, spin! You can do it, pup! It's a gift box! Nice bench! Uh-oh, it's broken. Chase, can you fix them? Nice! Tap on the broken bench to fix it with the piece you carry. Thanks for hurrying, pups! A storm passed over Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped, and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need... Chase in, cluck cluck, run amok. This is the chicken coop. Find all the chickens and bring them back to the coop. Don't worry if they split up. You can go back and get them later. Hey, it's Chickaletta. Hi, Chickaletta. Look around. Some chickens could be hidden. Great work, pups. Farmer Yumi will be happy. The Paw Patrol saves the day. Great work, pup! Here's your very own pup pad. A call from Alex. Look, Alex needs our help. Tap on the pup pad to answer. With your pup pad, you can visit the people of Adventure Bay. Let's help Alex. We're on a roll. Alex lost his favorite super trike. Can you find it? Tap on the pub. Pick a pup. All right, pup. Time to find Alex's super trike. That's it. It's the super trike. Ho, ho, ho. You found it. Let's bring it back to Alex. Thank you, pup. Alex will be able to zoom around town again.